In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import passwords into Dashlane. Whether you're switching from another password manager or you simply want to consolidate all your login details in one place, Dashlane makes it straightforward. Let's walk through the process together step by step, ensuring you feel confident by the end of this tutorial. First, make sure you're logged into your Dashlane account. If you haven't opened Dashlane yet, go ahead and launch it. Once you're in, head straight to your dashboard. This is your central control panel where you can manage your passwords and other important data. You can easily locate this on Dashlane's main menu. Now that you're in your dashboard, the next step is accessing the import function. Look for the login options. You'll need to click on the login section. This will typically prompt you to enter your credentials or confirm your identity if you're not already logged in. Once that's done, locate the import login option. This is the gateway to importing all your saved passwords from other platforms or devices. Now, you'll likely be asked to select the source of the passwords you want to import. For today's guide, we'll use Google Chrome as an example. Keep in mind that Dashlane supports imports from various browsers and platforms, so feel free to choose the one most relevant to your needs. Choosing your source is a crucial step because it allows Dashlane to identify what format your passwords are in, making the transition smoother. After selecting Google Chrome as your source, you'll see a prompt to get started. This is your sign to initiate the import process. Click on the Get Started button. It's essentially the step that begins importing passwords. Next, Dashlane will request that you add files. Depending on how you have your passwords saved, you can either drag the file directly from your computer into the Dashlane interface or browse your files to locate the relevant password file. When you've successfully added your password file, you'll need to proceed further by clicking on Next. This action indicates to Dashlane that you've finished selecting files and you're ready to move forward with the process. Finally, once you've initiated the import, Dashlane will review and process the items you've uploaded. Click on Import Items to conclude the process. This will transfer all selected passwords into your Dashlane profile. And there you have it, a seamless import into Dashlane. By following these steps, you'll ensure all your passwords are safely housed in Dashlane, ready for use at any time. If you have any questions or run into issues, Dashlane's support team is a great resource to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.